Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to do caulking on your external wall that joins with concrete. So before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when you want to do that, the first thing you would like to do is to remove the old caulking. Okay, for that you can use this utility knife, where you can, as you can see, I'm just cutting through the old caulking that you can remove. And once you do that, you also need to clean the area. So for that I'm gonna use this wire brush and I'm gonna remove this. And also you may need to clean this area with water. Okay, so this is gonna take some time, but of course you have to do that. So in my case guys, I'm still removing it, but you see I have this expansion joints here. In case you don't have, you can insert backer rods so that it occupies the space, because concrete naturally expands. Okay, and expansion strips are used so that it can actually absorb. Same works to certain extent are being done by backer rods too, and you can easily get at a store that you can insert in areas like this. Okay, if you have nothing, and then first clean and then insert so that it goes over there. Okay, once you are through that and dry it with after washing, you need to use a proper sealing material. So I'm using this one, latex based, and this is specifically for concrete. I got it from Home Depot, but there are other too. You can just discuss with them what project, but this one I highly recommend. Texture gray DAP. Okay, so you're gonna make a cut and load it into the caulking device. So make sure you make the cut at 45 degrees angle, and then you insert. And based on the area, I am gonna do it like 5 by 16, the highest mark that is here. I'm gonna make a cut over there. Once you make the cut, you have to do the caulking at the uniform speed at the corner. Okay, you have to apply uniform pressure so that you can do perfect sealing. And then if it is self-leveling, then nothing needs to do. If it is not self-leveling, you can apply or you can use something, or you can use your finger to balance it out, and then you are all good to go. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.